Hello guys, કેમ છો? So this is the 8th tutorial of the our Lightning Web Component series, and in this tutorial we understand how we can merge two Lightning component. So in our previous video we created one Lightning Web component which redirect to another page. So now in this and in this Lightning Web component we not put any input field. So now what we can do here is so this your intro template put in our update information template. So let's see. So I am in my multiple template component, and in this component you can see this is our main page, and let's see, open our intro template. So this is our intro template. So what we can do is, so here we want intro template in our multiple template. So here our multiple template component will be the parent component, and our intro component will be the child component. So how we can connect our child component to parent component? So first of all, go to the parent component, and in the parent component template, and now in the template and within the template lightning card, I simply write C. This is the mandatory, and after the dash and name of the child component. So here I am intro. So instead of camel case, you must to use kebab case. So here, so what is the kebab case? Kebab case is a simple dash separated. So let's suppose here my component name is let's say greet anyone. So I put here C dash greet and separate with dash, and then after I write anyone. So when your simple component camel case, you have to convert camel case into kebab case. In the camel case, your component name is look like this. So to convert camel case into kebab case, so here instead of capital letter, put is the small letter and separate with the dash. So this is the dash separated name, that also called as a kebab case. So when you use in the template, that time you need to use kebab case instead of camel case. So that's it. Our connection of child component and parent component is completely done. So let's deploy our source to org. Okay, so our source is successfully deployed on org. So now quickly go to the edit page, and okay, you can see our changes is already shown here. So click on save and click on back. Okay, so you can see our intro component is shown here. So like this, our update information component is the parent component, and in the parent component we attach one child component called as your intro. So you can see our component is perfectly fine, and you can check it also work and tap on as okay. So that's it, our component is perfectly work. So this is the how we can connect two component. The complex program or in the real life real-time program, we need to connect two or three or many of component together, so it is useful. So that's it, and here you can connect any number of your child component. So simple, press C dash and name your component. So the most thing remember is you have to write any name of the component. So you need to use a kebab case instead of camel case. In the next video we saw how we can pass our variable method and how we can call our variable and method in the child component, and how we can pass data to parent component to child component. So that's it for this video, and we will meet again in the next video. So thank you.